Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about what's new in Odoo 20 accounting report. So let's dive into the Odoo accounting, and here we can find the report section. And let's move on to the balance sheet. And as we just use a balance sheet, we can find that we have a feature called comparison. So in Odoo 20, we can just make the comparison based on uh, amount, or it can be based on percentage. So this feature allows the business to evaluate the performance across period more intuitively by representative comparative data as percentage. So currently it's based on the amount. Now let me change it as percentage. So as I just change it as percentage, currently no percentage has been shown over here. But if the percentage is available over here, it will be showing. So you can also just get it from the um, profit and loss. So here you can see that currently it's based on percentage. So the percentage is not visible over here. If you want to change it as amount, you can also just find it over here. Okay, so this is one of the changes that you can find in Odoo 20 reporting. Now let's move on to the reports over here. So in the reporting, we can find that we have a new report called product margin. So you can see that we can set the date from which and we can just set all the dates over here. Okay, so let me set the date and let me change it. Let's say that we can choose the month July 23, and you can just get the margin over here. So you can just set the starting date from July 1st, and afterwards you can see the invoice state as open and paid, or you can just go ahead with paid or open, draft and paid. If I'm setting it as paid, you can find the open margins over here, and here currently you can see that no margins are showing over here. Okay, now let's see how this is going to affect. So for that, first we just need to consider a product. So in this case, I am going to consider a product over here. So you can see that we have different products. Let's say that I would like to consider the product as a cabinet with door. Okay, so once you choose a product, you can just make it as favorite over here. You can see the cost of the product is 120.50, and the sales price is 40. So almost 20 will be the profit that the business will be gaining. So in this case, let's consider the product and let's create the invoice over here. Okay, so let me create the invoice with the customer, and you can choose the product over here, which is cabinet with door, and let me set it. Okay, and let's save this. So I haven't posted this, and I just want to get the margin. So if I just want to see the margin, we also just need to ensure that we have enabled the margin field over here. Okay, so then only we can view the margin. So we can just search for margin over here. So it's enabled, so it shows in the orders. Okay, so if we are creating the order from a sales, you can see that the margin will be visible over here in the order. Let me create a new order. And here we have the product. So currently, yeah, we can choose the product, which is cabinet with door, and you can see that the price is shown over here, as well as the margin with its percentage is shown. Okay, so if you want to find the margin from here, you can also just get that and add it over here. So you can see that currently a discount has been applied over here. So let me remove the discount, and afterwards we can see that the margin will be shown over here. Okay, so this is the margin that is just going to get by for the business. And once it's done, you would be able to see the order is confirmed. We can just create the delivery, or we can directly create the invoice. Okay, so currently it's available, and let's try to create the invoice. So over here, we just need to wait for a while. Now I'm going to create a regular invoice, and let's create a regular invoice. Okay, so in this case, we cannot create a regular invoice as it's not delivered. So first, we just need to deliver the item because the invoicing policy is based on delivered quantity. So we need to apply the Lotto serial number. So we can generate the serial number over here. Let's keep uh, the everything safe over here and let's save it. Afterwards, we just need to validate this process, and you can see we have just done with it. Let's move on and let's create the invoice. So here we can create the invoice over here, and once it's done, you can see the sale order has been created, and you can find that the price is 140 over here. Now let's move on to the accounting report. So from here you can move on to the reports, and again you can just move on to the reports of margin. Okay, so currently it's posted, right? Not paid, which is posted. So you can just move on to open and paid, and here you can choose a date. So currently we are in July 23rd, and you can just get it. Okay, July 23rd. So you can just filter based on that, or if you just want to get all the invoice state with draft, open and paid, you would be able to see that. Okay, so let's move on to open margin, and currently you can see that the report will be getting over here with the amount, like the average sale, the invoiced one, and turnover, as well as the sales gap can be shown over here. Everything will be getting over here, the expected margin and the total margin. So this is one of the another new feature that you can find in Odoo20 reporting. So sometimes you will be thinking that what if you get the Odoo in your mobile application? So we Cybrosys introduce Mobo. Take your Odoo experience beyond the desktop with Mobo, the open source mobile suite for build business on to go, and that's manage your operations anytime and anywhere, access your data, monitor performances, and stay connected from your smartphone. And this is designed for both iOS and Android. Mobo delivers a seamless experience that helps the team work faster and smarter. And it's an open source, and you can just get it anytime and from anywhere. So that's all about the video. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And thank you for watching the video.